Today I'm going to be talking about the early man species Homo heidelbergensis. The Homo heidelbergensis people lived 700 to 200,000 years ago. The Homo heidelbergensis lived in Europe and were discovered in Germany. They were also living in South Africa, and some people think possibly Asia, China. On average, the height of males was 5'9", 175 centimeters, and females was 5'2", 157 centimeters. The weight of the average male is 136 pounds, and the weight of an average female is 112 pounds. Homo heidelbergensis people had very large brow ridges and a very large brain case, with a flatter face than other early human species. They had a big nose and were very, very hairy. History of discovery. The Homo heidelbergensis were discovered in 1908 in Heidelberg, Germany. They were found in the Roche sand pit north of Mauer village. The jawbone was found fully intact except for its two left molars as well as its missing chin, and the mandible was very heavily built. Survival. Homo heidelbergensis hunted large game animals for food, although the hides may also have been useful, especially in colder areas. Meat was the main food source for this species. Most of their tools were large stone tools with flakes removed from two sides to produce hand axes, cleavers, and carvers, classified as Mode 2 technology. Some later populations are known to have also made tools from deer antlers, bone, and wood. These materials were modified into scrapers, hammers, and sophisticated wooden throwing spears. Now, what does Homo heidelbergensis mean? Homo heidelbergensis means Heidelberg man. Homo is Latin for human or man, and Heidelbergensis is the Latinized word for Heidelberg, the city in Germany where the first Homo heidelbergensis fossil was discovered in 1907. Homo heidelbergensis spread out of Africa and had established populations in Europe and possibly also in southern Asia. Regional differences began to develop as they adapted to their new environments. Fire was a main resource for these people, and animal hide clothing may have been worn, especially by populations living in cooler European areas. However, direct evidence of clothing is difficult to obtain since it is not durable and tends to quickly perish. No direct evidence of clothing currently exists. Now, interactions with other species and evolving. Homo heidelbergensis began to develop regional differences that eventually gave rise to two species of humans. European populations of Homo heidelbergensis evolved into Homo neanderthalensis, the Neanderthals, while a separate population of Homo heidelbergensis in Africa evolved into our own species, Homo sapiens, who all had similarities. These three species have shaped us into the people we are today. Thank you.